Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken devel, step by step. First, let's prepare our chicken. Begin by cutting about 500 grams of chicken into bite-sized pieces. Then, marinate these pieces with 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. Next, fry the marinated chicken in 2 tablespoons of oil until each piece is beautifully golden brown and thoroughly cooked. Remember to drain any excess oil before setting the chicken aside. Now let's craft the heart of our dish, the devel sauce. In a clean pan, sauté 1 tablespoon each of finely minced ginger and garlic until they release their wonderful aroma. Then, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of chili flakes to give it that signature spicy kick. Stir in 2 tablespoons of rich ketchup, 1 tablespoon of savory soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of vinegar to perfectly balance all the sweet and spicy notes. With our sauce ready, it's time to bring in the fresh vegetables. Quickly sauté 1 chopped onion and 1 vibrant bell pepper in a little oil until they are just slightly tender, retaining a pleasant crunch. Next, add 1 diced tomato to the pan and cook for about 1 minute. Now, return those delicious fried chicken pieces to the pan with the vegetables. Pour the rich, prepared devel sauce generously over the chicken and vegetables, making sure every piece is beautifully coated. Finally, let's bring all these incredible flavors together. Simmer the entire mixture gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly and all the ingredients to meld into a harmonious blend. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt or pepper if needed. For a fresh touch, garnish your chicken devel with some chopped spring onions or cilantro. Serve this hot and spicy dish immediately, perhaps with fluffy steamed rice, or enjoy it as a fantastic appetizer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.